Alright, this relates to injector diagnosis. This is a ISB Cummins common rail system, and it is a no start. So just because I know what's common, I'm checking our rail pressure. That is our fuel pressure sensor, and our fuel pressure set point is what it wants to be as I crank. So this is likely an example of a worn return system inside of an injector, a worn ball and seat. So this is what I do to diagnose which injector it is. So like I said before, high return flow in a fuel injector will cause a no start because it lowers the rail pressure across the board on a common rail system. So what I do is I'll take each individual injection line out, and then I'll plug each cylinder at the rail and try to start it. And if I can achieve rail pressure, that would show me that I've found my bad injector. So this is cylinder number 1, and I'm going to see what happens. This R2D2 looking thing is a Chrysler scan tool, BRB, but any bidirectional tool will work. Okay, so my set point again is 5804, and we're going to watch rail pressure as we have cylinder 1 plugged off. Still no rail pressure. So we're going to move down the line. This is cylinder number 2. Cylinder number 2. That is our bad injector. Now if you go across the board and you find that none of them give you high rail pressure, then you are to suspect a failed pump or something else. On this particular vehicle, that is uncommon. So the next thing you want to do is plumb back in the line and make sure it does not start again.